Today I will be creating a brown eyeshadow look. I will be using some golden glitters too. For that, at first I need to prime my eyes. Here I am using Allegro Pro Concealer in shade Natural to prime my eyelids. You can also use eyeshadow primer. I am spreading the concealer using a flat eyeshadow brush. You can also use your finger. Then I will blend it using a beauty blender. To set my base, I will be using this loose powder which is from W7. I will set it using a powder brush. For my transition shade, I will be using this color. The palette I am using, it's a palette by Beauty Glaze. It's called Gorgeous Me. Then I will use a sticky tape on the outer V of my eyes to create a sharp line. The tape I am using is a regular tape. Then I will take this shade from the same palette. I am using the same brush. It's mainly a brush by Manji. It's an eyeshadow brush which is really soft and fluffy. After that I will press this dark eyeshadow on the outer V of my eyes. Then I will blend it. Then I will take this black shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Here I am using a flat eyeshadow brush. I will apply it on the outer V of my eyes to create the smoky look. After that I will blend it using the same brown shade again. Then I will apply some concealer in the inner area of my eyes. I will take this golden shade with my finger and apply it. I am simply using my finger to add shimmery color. Then I will take this shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I will apply it over that color. I will blend the glitter with the eyeshadow using a clean brush. I will apply this golden shade on the inner corner of my eyes. Here I am using a pencil brush. You can also use your finger, but it's more tougher to reach that area. Then I will use a golden glitter over that. For my eyeliner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. Here I am using a painting brush. You can also use an eyeliner brush. I will keep the liner as close to the lash line as possible. I will create a little wing there. I will also extend the inner corner. Then I will remove the tape. For my lower lash line, I will be using this shade. It's kind of a light brown shade. I will smudge the eyeliner a little bit using an eyebrow brush. For my waterline, I will be using Lakme Iconic Kajal in shade black. After that, I will curl my lashes and use mascara. Here I am using Bob mascara. Then I will put on my false lashes and my look is done. Then I will highlight my brow bone and inner corner using a golden eyeshadow. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe.